So the internet is a very crazy place where people just come up online and do things, not considering if the persons that they are doing these things for, if they understand or not. What everybody is thinking about is how to make that money fast, because first of all, we live in a world where the rich wants to get richer, so the poor will become more poor, so they can keep controlling the poor. So for that reason, it seems like everybody that comes online just thinks about themselves alone. Some of the videos we watch online, I don't think it is very, very necessary, because people can just come online for a simple video where they want to teach you about doing a particular thing. They will just talk at the end. After like 4 or 5 minutes, they will not explain a simple thing that they could just go straight to the point and explain. And I realized that for me doing this same thing, like not trying to waste time, go straight to the point and say these things, a lot of persons are really enjoying it. And that will not fetch me money. Yes, it will not fetch me money, but it's better I have these people that trust in me than just doing these things because I needed that money. We all know we need this money. Yes, we need this money so bad. But please, at the same time, let's not just come to the internet and start ranting just because we want to get money. See, I want to show you a particular feature, how to grow your Facebook account. See, if I show you this thing, your life will never remain the same. See, I don't know, a lot of persons have been telling you this thing, but they don't want to tell you the truth. See, let me just tell you the truth, because if I tell you the truth, your life will be better. Because if your life becomes better, your life has better. Because if your life better, your life has better to the point where your life will not be better. Because see, let me just tell you now, if your life is better, it's because your life is better. And when your life is better, and see, it's just a simple thing on Facebook. You can just, Baba, why not just say it once?
Look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
I want to show you something on Facebook that will help your life. It's something easy. All you have to do for me is just like, share, and follow me, please. Now let's go to our phone and let me show you how to do it. Kegan does these things. He shows you how easy it is. He just says it instead of just ranting, because I don't tire for the nonsense I see for this internet. But please, at the same time, if you love my kind of content, because they are very, very straightforward, please do well to always share to your story, do well to share to your friends so that more persons can see it and follow you, so I can also grow. For now, I'm not making money from this, but if you help me, I'll be able to start making money. Once again, my name is Geetee, and I'll see you on the next one.